The BMW X6 has a lot to answer for. It arguably kickstarted the whole coupe-SUV trend when it launched over a decade ago, and now there's a new one. Based on the X5, the new X6 is now longer and wider than the model it replaces, but it's slightly lower. BMW says this has lowered the car's centre of gravity, and combined with the front track that's been widened by 44mm, it should improve the handling. Just like that controversial first-generation X6, the new one has that trademark coupe SUV design with a roofline that tapers aggressively from the B-pillar. Unique horizontal tail lamps that almost stretch the entire width of the rear end mark out the X6 from the X5. Another new feature is the illuminated kidney grille at the front, which illuminates when the driver opens and closes the car. It can also be switched on manually or turned off completely while driving. And no, I'm not joking. 4 engines are offered in the X6, 2 petrols and 2 diesels. The xDrive 30D Sport uses a 262 brake horsepower 3-litre 6-cylinder diesel, and the petrol-powered alternative is the X6 xDrive 40i Sport, which uses a more powerful 336 bhp 3-litre. The flagship models for now are the M50D and the M50i. The diesel version is powered by a 395 brake horsepower 3-litre quad turbo 6-cylinder and should crack 0 to 62 miles an hour in 5.2 seconds. Meanwhile, the M50i uses a 524 bhp 4.4-litre twin turbo V8 and hits 0 to 62 miles an hour in 4.3 seconds. All versions come as standard with BMW's xDrive 4-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Other standard kit across the range includes leather trim, adaptive air suspension, gesture control, Wi-Fi hotspot and wireless phone charging. The cabin of the X6 is carried over wholesale from BMW's latest SUVs and features the firm's 7.0 iDrive infotainment system operated via a 12.3-inch display on the dash. Despite being larger than before, interior space remains the same as the old one. Prices? Well, the range starts at £59,340 for the 30D Sport and rises to £76,870 for the M50i. We'll be driving the new X6 very soon, but in the meantime, tell us what you think in the comments below and press that subscribe button.